enforcement officer and the slow down. Hopefully not too many will need that today. We're going to go ahead and send it back to you.
I'm kind of surprised to see so many cars out on the road when they went to that wide shot there. I guess that's indicating a lot of people out there trying to get home early if it did have to go into work today.
So this is what shuts down a major metropolitan city. This deep, deep snow. And that's what Houston shuts down for. Now we're going to test out my new little stove. Do some winter survival. Maybe my only chance to do winter survival in cooking. I was able to scour the forest floor, find some twigs, and a bucket of good stuff. As you can see, the snow is really coming down now. It's 26 degrees outside. Everything's soaking wet. I think I might have finally got it. Alright, my stinking battery going dead. Put a little couple-minute charge on it, trying to finish this up. I'm gonna time it, see how long it takes. I know everybody's done this 1,000 times, but I don't get many excuses to play in the cold and ice, so I thought I'd take it since I just got this in the mail. Alright, that's pretty impressive. About 5 minutes and got it boil. I could have swore all these videos I watched took them about 20 minutes, but maybe not. I'll make me a little hot chocolate to celebrate this cold. Well, the little Outon stove held up good for its first cook. Sturdy little stove, real sturdy. It's got the crossbars so you can put any size pot on it. Don't see no warping. Yeah, I think it'll be alright for the price you pay. Even if it don't last too long, you can get you another one. For what it is, for what it's worth, it seemed to be a good little stove just to start to cook. Goober dog. He's out here enjoying it with me. At first, they all thought I was crazy for coming out and playing. Even the oldest decided to come make fun of me. Grandson playing on his trampoline in this heavy snow. I'm gonna enjoy my cup of hot chocolate. Here's my newest sidekick, my grandson. Say hi.
Hi.
Well, that's my video for the day. Out playing around like a kid. Hope y'all having a good day. Hope this weather's not too bad in your area. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.